Hi, my name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and today we're going to take a look at importing a VisionX application. We start by clicking the Import button, conveniently located next to the Export button. In the wizard, we need to find our application by clicking the Search button next to the Application Archive. For this example, I'm simply going to choose our application that we just exported. As you can see, VisionX is telling me that the application file already exists. So we need to change the name. I'll call mine a copy. Then we click Next to select what we actually want to import. As we want to import the entire application, I will leave it with everything checked. After clicking Yes, we need to decide if we want to create a new database user for the application or if we want to choose an existing one. In our case, we want a discrete copy, so we want a new database user. In the next step, we can decide if we want the data as well, which we do. After clicking Finish, our application is imported and we have a complete copy. And that's how you import a VisionX application. Thank you so much for watching.